Hello from California, and some quick Amtrak California catches around Sacramento in February 2026. We'll start at the Yolo Bypass, west of downtown Sacramento, and finish up with a gold runner near the Siemens Factory to the south. Heading west of town is Union Pacific's route to the Bay Area, and is home to some extensive bridges over this flood bypass that helps protect the city of Sacramento. We'll start with an eastbound Capital Corridor service. And now a westbound. Here's the eastbound California Zephyr. Right behind the locomotives is a Federal Railroad Administration Office of Safety inspection car. And a Capital Corridor service right on its tail a couple minutes later. While I didn't have my drone with me this trip, no visit to the Sacramento area is complete without a stop near the Siemens Factory. Amtrak's Gold Runner, formerly known as the San Joaquin, is the train here, while there's still a decent look at new equipment awaiting delivery. On this end are new Charger locomotives for Metro North and a Cascades cab car. Along the rest of the factory are several Cascades train sets, and even an Ontario Northland Charger in the distance looking on. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.